Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. Halloween is really the kids' playground. I mean, we do a lot of things in Halloween for the kids. So I want to show you how to do a fun spider, a spooky but fun spider made out of chocolates, and we can fill it with whatever we want. Maybe some candy, maybe whatever we want to put inside. So I use a mold that's usually used for Easter eggs. And I temper some chocolate, white chocolate color with some orange color, food color. And I'm going to do some dots inside those mold. And I'm going to put that in the refrigerator just to let them set a few minutes. Then I will show you how to mold the body of the spider, maybe the eye, and then how to assemble everything. Okay, so I'm just going to do few eyes and then we will pick certainly the best one that work for that project. Okay, remember to temper your chocolates. I have some video explaining how to temper chocolates, dark or white or whatever chocolate you work with. Around my dark chocolates, I'm going to pipe some white chocolates. Just like that. Okay, we're going to put that in the fridge for a few minutes. And then I'm going to mold everything with dark chocolates. So the dark chocolate is tempered. I have my dots now on my mold here. So I'm just going to pour some of the dark chocolates over. And then reverse everything. That's chase the air bubbles. Okay, so the mold or the shell is molded. So this is going to be the body, and that's going to be the head of the spider. Okay, so we're going to put that into the refrigerator and let them cool down, and then I'll show you how to assemble everything. So I unmold the chocolate that I mold into the egg mold and into the semi-sphere, and what I did, I warm them up on a hot tray and I stick them together. Then I melt a little bit of the bottom and the front, and I stick the half round in the front. So I have the body of my spider here. What I want to do now is to add two eyes to it. So I have some red chocolates, which is white chocolate with food color. And I'm going to pipe these red chocolates here around and in that side too. So what I did, I drew on a piece of paper and I flipped the paper over. So the ink is on the other side. So I can see it by transparency. So I draw some eye on a piece of paper, on that side actually, and I flip it over so I don't going to pipe chocolates on the side of the ink. Now I'm going to pipe the eyes. Okay, and this one here. Okay, and then all I can do now is actually go around with the white chocolates. And I'm going to put that into the refrigerator, and the white chocolate going to set, and the red will be setting also on the middle of it. We're going to put that into the refrigerator until it's set, and then now I'm going to work on the legs. Okay, so now I'm just going to pour my dark chocolate on the tray here. And I'm going to spread it. I want it a little bit less than ½ inch thick. So at the factory, I have tools to make the chocolate the same thickness everywhere. Here, it's a little bit different. You know, at home, we don't have all those equipment, of course. So I need to be a little bit more inventive and maybe, you know, guess. Okay, so let's cut the legs. Okay, one leg is cut. Then leg number 2. Okay, I'm going to put that back into the refrigerator. Let it set completely and unmold them. A little bit of white chocolate behind the eye. A little bit more on the other side. This is a cold spray, and we use that when we put centerpiece together. It's just an easy way of cooling down everything. Okay, so now all I want to do is waiting for the legs, and then we're going to stick all the legs together. There is no spider without a spider web, so let's do that. Okay, we have the spider web. And now we can put our spider in it. And all we have to do is give her some legs so she can run away. Cold spray. Happy Halloween, everyone. So because there is no Halloween without candies, let me see what I have here. What do you think? Is that going to work to break the spider? So trick or treat and happy Halloween. Look all the candy that we have. Happy Halloween.